Alright, so we want to remove the trunnion in here and also the cocking tube, the charging tube from the receiver. To do that, we're going to cut the receiver right here, cutting low right along this seam, and then we're going to do that on the other side as well. That'll free up the trunnion and the receiver fragment from the cocking tube section. It'll make it easier to get the trunnion out. So basically we're going to be making light cuts just like this until we get through. And you want to periodically check, see how you're doing. Once you feel it breaking through on the second side, you can now just start to work it off. There you go. Not too bad. Did nick it a little bit here, but that's okay. Now the receiver around the trunnion has several areas of plug welds, and some of them you'll see better than others, and we'll need to grind that area down so that we can break the welds. So once you peel the receiver off the trunnion, you can see that some of the plug welds had a little more depth than others. Others are just surface contact. But here you can see where grinding down can help let the weld release. Basically what you're doing here is just weaken the welds and then take a chisel and a hammer. You're not going to hurt the trunnion. The trunnion's very hard. And chisel the receiver sheet metal off. This is the easy part. The harder part is the charging tube. Now for this one, if you have a grinding wheel, this is a lot easier. You can just turn it around and then weaken that seam right there. Here I'm taking a trowel and just smoothing out some of the high points. Looking good.